Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos.
So what are we making today, Peggy?
Today, we're making Q-tip dragonflies.
These were fun.
They were nice and colorful. I like them.
Yeah.
All right. So before we start, we're going to begin with one of our breathing exercises, and we're going to do today a dragonfly breath.
Okay.
So our arms are going to be our wings, and we're going to breathe in and raise them up. And then breathe out and bring them down, and we can kind of flutter our wings as we come down and breathe out. So we'll do that twice together.
Okay.
Right? Got your wings ready?
I sure do.
Okay, let's breathe in. And breathe out. Flutter. And one more time, breathe in. And breathe out.
Very nice.
Right. So what supplies do we need?
Paper, paint, Q-tips, scissors. So not very many things.
Right. So what's the first step, Gail?
Okay, so the first step is you want to draw a dragonfly. You could look at a picture of one, or while you're watching this, you could do it. So I drew mine and I cut it out. And did you do one, Peggy, that you drew?
I did.
Okay, great.
Mine's all ready to go.
Okay, and then I'm just going to paint the body part. I'm going to use a Q-tip for this part too, and I'm going to paint my body, I think, blue.
Okay, I already pre-painted mine, and you can use for decorating the butterfly as many colors or as few colors as you want.
Yeah.
And what Gail and I did is put them on a paper plate.
Yes, so here is my dragonfly. That's how quick I did the body with a Q-tip.
Right. We've learned how you can do lots of painting with Q-tips.
Yes, and you mentioned butterfly. But you could also make this into a butterfly if you wanted, but we're going to try.
Did I say butterfly?
You did, but it's still a flying, beautiful creature, so it's all good. But anyway, here's my body. What's the next step?
All right, so the next step is to take your Q-tip and you're going to dip it in one of your colors.
Okay.
And then you're going to just dot it on your dragonfly or your butterfly. So however you want. So
yeah,
right, I can, good. So on my sample, I did a pattern. But you don't have to do a pattern. You could do it any way you want. So on this one, I'm just gonna do it random.
Okay. I love painting with Q-tips. I think
I do too.
Fun and relaxing. So yeah, I'm gonna try not to do a pattern on this one. I did a pattern on the other one.
I know.
But here's what it'll, so I have the top of two of my wings. You can just see the little dot.
Like it.
Yeah, thank you. And then I'm gonna switch colors.
So I was reading about dragonflies, and there's some really interesting facts about them.
Let's hear them.
Okay, so one of them is they are expert flyers. They can fly sideways, they can fly backwards, they can fly straight up and down, and they can fly at a speed between 22 and 34 miles per hour.
Wow, that is incredible.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
I know. I didn't know that they could fly so many different ways.
Wow. That's why I probably because I love dragonflies, whenever I try and take a picture of one, I never can. It's probably because they're flying away.
They're flying so fast.
Yeah.
And then there's one other fact that's really interesting.
What?
Is that dragonflies are older than the dinosaurs. They have been around over 300 years on this earth, and they used to roam the earth with the dinosaurs.
So how long have they been around? Over 300
over
billion?
300 million years. Yeah. And
Wow.
they used to be bigger. Their wingspan used to be between 27 and 29 inches.
Wow.
So they were, yeah,
That's quite something. Peggy, these facts are amazing.
I know. It was really interesting reading about them.
Yeah. All right, let's show our so far, and then I'm going to tell you a joke. So here's mine so far.
Here's mine so far. I'm just kind of randomly going around.
I accidentally am doing a pattern.
I know.
Sometimes I don't even try it, but my next color I'm going to add is going to just be random for sure. But I'm going to tell you a joke.
Okay.
Okay. Why did the dragonfly fly?
Why did the dragonfly fly?
Because the spider.
Good one.
Thank you. So I'm going to finish mine later.
I added orange to mine. I like it.
Oh, it's beautiful. So here's mine so far. I'm going to finish it in a little bit.
Nice. The dragonfly was starting to fly away.
I know, and I know how fast it can go, so I had caught it just in time. Anyway, thank you for joining us. And if you'd like to see more of our videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Yes, and I'm just going to give a heads up, Gail. Our
Yes.
next video is going to be very special, so stay tuned.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.